Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse. Let's go. For adding the card, go to your wallet and in the wallet click on this plus icon. And here you have two options. Here you can add your debit or credit card, or you can add here the transit card. We will just go with the debit or credit card. Now after that, here just simply click on continue. And here you can add card by scanning it, or you can add here the details manually. So I will just go and I will add the details here manually. For that, simply click on add details here manually. Now here you have to add your name and your card number. After that, simply click on next. Now here you have to write the expiry date and the security number. This number you can find on your card. After writing that, here you have this term services condition. Here just you have to continue with that, and here they will send a verification code on your phone number. You can skip and you can verify later, but if you want to do, then you can do that at that time. And from now you can use your card in the Apple Pay. Now let's talk about how you can use that. For example, if you want to send money to your friend, here you can see this option Apple Pay. Simply click on that. Now here you can go and you can choose the amount that you want to send. You can pay or you can request for that. You can verify your payment through your Face ID, fingerprint, and after that the payment will be sent. That's how you can send the payment. And now in the Apple Wallet you can see your transactions and you can see the amount that you have in your Apple Pay. And similarly you can also pay with your Apple Pay in the store. Just you have to bring your phone closer to the machine. You will see this done option on your phone. It will show that your payment has been done. That was all about how you can set up and you can use Apple Pay. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.